Okay, welcome to the Mindset Change podcast. I'm Paul Sheppard, and hopefully you're getting into a nice, comfortable position. And I'd like you just to close your eyes, begin to connect with the breath. Don't control it, just focus on your belly, just beginning to rise and fall, gently and softly. I'd like you to imagine for a moment from your body, there are small roots stretching from you into the earth. Grounding you, connecting you with the earth. And I'd like you to think about meditation as a way of just observing, just allowing exactly what is. There are three major components to meditating. So, the discipline of sitting in silence, stillness, and just being aware. And with your awareness, I'd like you just to observe whatever is happening for you. And surrender and relax into what is. What does that mean? So if I asked you, how are you feeling? And there might be a sense of tension, and happiness, something slightly off, or you could feel good and relaxed. Either way, we surrender to what is, not judging, not controlling, trying to change, pure acceptance of what you're experiencing right now. So just notice where your awareness goes to with your feelings, and just observe and surrender to what is. And the same with the thoughts that come and go in your mind. In meditation, it's easy to just want a clear mind. That's not really what meditation is about. So, can you just observe and surrender to whatever happens inside your mind? The different thoughts coming and going. I wonder where they come from and where they go. Just observing your thoughts, even noticing you're trying to control the thoughts, to keep shifting your awareness to the present moment. Observe that happening too. Allow that to be as it is. And the sounds that are spontaneously happening around you, just coming and going. Can you surrender and just let them be there? When we move into acceptance, When we surrender, dropping all resistance, being aware of the resistance, accepting the resistance, and just allowing ourselves to be here in this present moment, the most important moment we will ever have, because it's the only moment that exists. We become free, liberated from a wandering mind, drawing us into its stories. And sometimes I like to remind myself, if my mind is getting carried away, then that's okay. I can become aware of that happening. And something that you can do is also remind yourself, as trippy as this might sound, is that this is all an illusion. Your identity, who you think you are, the way that your mind is processing your reality, is an illusion. And from your awareness, we can observe this illusion that we call reality. And some people call this waking up. For a few moments, being able to step back and realize what you're experiencing is a construct of your mind. Now, I wonder what that could do for you. So, just for the next minute, be the observer of the illusions of your mind, the constructs. Maybe today you won't take so seriously the stories of your mind. I wonder what else will happen for you. Thank you for joining me for this slightly different meditation today. Let me know in the reviews what you think of it. If you're part of my Mindset Change community, let me know on WhatsApp what your thoughts are. If you're not a member, feel free to join via the link in the show notes. If you've not yet subscribed, please do, because you really don't want to miss some of the meditations, brain trainings, and episodes coming your way. They are awesome, if I do say so myself. Remember to stay awake, stay aware, and I hope you have the most incredible day.